Hi, it's snowing here in Boston a lot. We've got about a foot of snow on the ground and it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. Not much is open out there. I decided I was going to stay at home and make some gluten-free, oil-free, no-bake brownies. So if you'd like to see me make them, then stick around. I'm Diana Goldman and you're watching Beantown Kitchen, where plant-based dishes are shared that you and your body will love. The ingredients in the brownies are walnuts and dates, cocoa powder, brown flaxseed, chocolate chips which are optional, vanilla, and salt. In a food processor, you want to combine the walnuts, dates, cocoa powder, brown flaxseed, and vanilla. Pulse all of the ingredients together until they're pretty well combined. And once they are combined, then you want to mix them until they all come together to form one large mass. It should look something like this. So I used very moist dates. If your dates aren't quite as moist as this, you might want to add just a little bit of maple syrup or perhaps some agave, and that will help to moisten it and bring it together to form one big mass like this. At this point, add the chocolate chips if you're using them, and then pulse the ingredients together until the chocolate chips are incorporated. And then press the mixture into a 8 by 8 inch baking pan, and then use the back of a spoon, or if you happen to have a pastry roller like this, you can use it to smooth out the brownies until they form one even layer. Now I'm going to do a nutritional comparison between this plant-based brownie I just showed you how to make and a standard brownie. Both of them a 50-gram size. So the plant-based brownie has 182 calories, while the standard brownie has 233 calories. When we compare protein between the two brownies, the plant-based brownie has more protein than the standard brownie. And how about a comparison of calcium in the two brownies? The plant-based brownie again has more calcium than the standard brownie. And then when it comes to iron, the plant-based brownie is really rich in iron. It has more than twice the amount of iron than a standard brownie. The standard brownie has 4 times the amount of saturated fat than the plant-based brownie I just showed you how to make. And then the plant-based brownie has no cholesterol at all, while the standard brownie has 73 milligrams of cholesterol. That's not surprising considering the fact that plant-based foods don't contain cholesterol. It's only animal-based foods that have cholesterol. And now let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. They're very healthy forms of fat. The plant-based brownie has 5 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, while the standard brownie doesn't contain any at all. One of the great sources of omega-3 fatty acids is brown flaxseed, which is in the brownies, as you saw. And the true test: how does the vegan triathlete like to eat the brownies when he is training? He gives it a thumbs up. He said it is an excellent form of nutrition for him. I highly recommend making these brownies. They're really so easy and so delicious. You can make them, keep them in the freezer, and just have a small bite whenever you feel like having a really healthy and nutritious vegan dessert. Or if you have your own favorite oil-free or gluten-free or no-bake plant-based dessert recipe, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. A plant-based diet is great for the planet, great for the animals, and great for you. Lots of love to you.